Hey there! Get ready to explore IKEA's most stunning and affordable wall art, a simple way to transform any space. This is the World Wall Art in Black. It's now $79.99, down from $122.99 with a 35% discount. The metallic map design is perfect for adding a sleek, modern touch to any room. Let's move on to the next stunning piece. This is the Rocky Shoreline art piece, a serene and calming depiction of nature's beauty. With soft tones and a peaceful view, it brings a touch of tranquility to any space. Currently priced at $79.99, thanks to a 35% discount, it's an elegant choice at a great value. Now, let's explore the next masterpiece. This is the Birches artwork, now available for $79.99, thanks to a 35% discount. Ready to see what's next? This is the Periodic Table artwork, priced at $79.99 after a generous 35% discount. Let's see what's next. This is the stunning Bridge and Clouds artwork, available for $79.99. Its dreamy depiction of a bridge emerging through clouds adds a serene yet striking touch to any space. Let's move on to the next piece. Here's the Bridge and Clouds Symphonisk picture frame speaker for $260. It's not just a piece of art, it's also a Wi-Fi speaker. Stream music or podcasts seamlessly with AirPlay 2 or Spotify Connect. Plus, the design is customizable with interchangeable fronts, available in black or white. Let's check out what's next. Here's a stunning set of 9 pieces called Mist in the Forest, priced at $100. This collection brings a serene, nature-inspired vibe to your walls with its soft greens and misty landscapes. Let's move on to our next artwork. Here's another incredible set of 9 pieces titled In Nature, priced at $100. With its black and white tones and serene imagery, it's perfect for creating a calming and timeless atmosphere in your space. Let's move on to our next artwork. Here we have the Crème de la Crème, set of 9 posters with frames, priced at $70. This collection brings a touch of elegance and sophistication with its chic black and white designs. Plus, it's super easy to hang using ALFTA adhesive hooks. No nails or screws needed. Ready for the next masterpiece? The White Lighthouse artwork is perfect for creating a serene coastal atmosphere. It's currently available at a 34% discount for just $65. Now, let's move on to our next stunning piece. Add a splash of modern creativity to your space with the Doorway artwork. Originally priced at $98, it's now available for $65 after a 34% discount. Let's move on to our next captivating piece. Add a rustic, countryside vibe to your space with the stunning Curious Cow artwork. Its monochrome palette and striking composition make it an eye-catching centerpiece for any room. Priced at just $65, it's a perfect addition to your home decor collection. Let's move on to our next featured piece. This one here is called Sand Dunes, and it's $55 now, down from $85 thanks to a 35% discount. The soft, neutral tones are just so calming. Honestly, it's the kind of piece that instantly makes any space feel serene and stylish. Don't you think it's perfect for a living room or even a bedroom? This one here is called Sand Dunes, and it's $55 now, down from $85 thanks to a 35% discount. The soft, neutral tones are just so calming. Honestly, it's the kind of piece that instantly makes any space feel serene and stylish. Don't you think it's perfect for a living room or even a bedroom? Here's something I really like: the garden posters. For just $25, you get 2 beautifully designed prints, the herb garden and the vegetable garden. I love how the vintage-style illustrations give such a timeless look. They're not just decorative, they're also pretty informative, especially if you're into plants or gardening. Here's something fun and vibrant: the set of 3 colorful adventures. Priced at just $5, this trio of playful prints is perfect for brightening up any space. I love how each piece tells its own story with bold colors and whimsical designs. The mix of nature-inspired elements, like flowers, dragonflies, and abstract patterns, adds a cheerful and lively vibe to your walls. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more IKEA finds, budget-friendly decor ideas, and must-have product highlights. I'll be sharing more amazing deals and creative tips soon. Stay tuned.